Hi, I'm Dr. Mac McDonald. Looking forward to the Southwest Dental Conference 2021, and I'm here to invite you to join me for a full day of mastering assisting that we're going to spend on Saturday. I think this course is going to be unique because it's presented from the standpoint of a dentist practice owner point of view. In other words, there is an endless amount of material we could cover that would be relevant to being a better dental assistant. But in that, I'm going to approach it from the standpoint of being the practice owner. What's the most valuable thing to me that a dental assistant can provide for the practice that can help us to accomplish our objectives? So that will be our perspective in mastering assisting. And so we'll talk about the seamless dental appointment, how we actually work together knee to knee in that appointment and orchestrating all of that, as well as building clinical competency. We'll use the most common procedures in a general dentistry office, a Class 2 composite and a single crown, to discuss the techniques, the materials, the concepts relative to the dentist assistant team and how we work together on those procedures. And from that, you can take it and expand it to other procedures. So I think it's going to be a great day. I look forward to it. I really look forward to inviting you to build a partnership with your dentist and then with the rest of the team for how you provide patient care. And by how you think about this role and everything that you do, I think that you can bring what you do to another level, and that be a really game changer for yourself, your career, and your practice. So thanks for joining us in the Master Assisting class on Saturday at the Southwest Dental Conference 2021.